Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing great. Dear viewers, today I am back with another video. In this video you will see such a beautiful and amazing centerpieces about Christmas. All the ideas are unique and beautiful. So watch the video and I hope you will love this video. Keep supporting me. Your support is important for me. Keep liking my videos. Subscribe my channel also and don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing updates. Thank you. Stay blessed. Stay happy.